Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add data labels to a 3D pie chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to add the data label. At first, select data, click and drag on your mouse. Then we go to the insert menu. Now I am select the pie chart drop down menu and select the 3D pie option. Now we can see here the 3D pie chart. Now we want to add the data label. Select the chart and go to the chart design menu. Select the add element option. And we can see here the data label. You can add the data label on the center, inside end or outside end, or the base fit, or the data call out. You can add anything. Now I am select the data call out option. You can change the type of chart. You can change the layout of this chart. Now we can see we add data label to chart easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.